Good day everyone. I am Daryl A. Alamatin from BE2 Section 1. So, I'm going to explain why the noblest profession a call for the best preparation and the best candidate. So teaching a profession often undervalued and under-researched stands as the most noble of all, the very foundation upon which all other professions are built. It's the cornerstone of societal progress, shaping your minds and molding future leaders, innovators, artists, scientists, thinkers, dreamers, and change makers across every phase of human endeavor. Educators are the architects of tomorrow, cultivating critical thinking skills, fostering creativity, and inspiring a lifelong love of learning in their students. They are more than just instructors, they are mentors, role models, and guides, navigating students through the complexities of life and education, offering support, encouragement, unwavering belief in their potential, and a safe space for exploration, discovery, and growth. Their influence extends far beyond the classroom, resonating through generation and impacting the world in profound and lasting ways. Consider the countless individuals who credit their teachers for their success. Their resilience, their very path in life, a powerful testament to the enduring impact of a great educator. This profound influence underscores the immense responsibility teachers bear, a responsibility that demands the highest level of preparation. The most dedicated individuals' unwavering commitment to their students' well-being, and a deep understanding of human development, cognitive processes, and diverse learning styles. Yet the teaching profession often faces significant challenges that undermine its potential and impact on society. Teacher shortages, large many communities leaving classrooms understaffed and students underserved, hindering their potential and perpetuating cycles in inequality. Inadequate sources, outdated curricula, and a lack of support contribute to high burnout rates, further exacerbating the problem and discouraging talented individuals from entering the field. This sustainable situation jeopardizes the quality of education, hindering social progress and limiting opportunities for future generations. The consequences of under-resourced and undiversified school are far-reaching, impacting not only individual students but also the overall economic and social well-being of communities, creating a ripple effect that extends far beyond the classroom walls. Investing in teachers is not merely an expense, it's a strategic investment in the future, an investment that yields immeasurable returns in terms of a more informed, engaged, and productive citizenry. Rigorous teacher training programs are paramount, equipping educators with the skills and knowledge to meet the diverse needs of their students. These programs must go beyond theoretical frameworks and delve into practical application, classroom management strategies, culturally responsive teaching techniques, and the effective use of technology to enhance the learning experience. They should also emphasize emotional intelligence, empathy, and the ability to foster positive relationships with students from all backgrounds. Creating a supportive and inclusive learning environment where every student feels valued, respected, empowered, and understood. Attracting top talent requires competitive salaries and benefits that reflect the value of this crucial role. A compensation package commensurate with the immense responsibility and the profound impact teachers have on society. Creating supportive school environments is equally vital. Providing teachers with the resources and autonomy they need to thrive. This includes access to state-of-the-art technology, professional development opportunities, collaborative workplace, and administrative support that reduces unnecessary burdens, allowing teachers to focus on what matters most, their students and their growth by fostering a culture of respect and appreciation. We can attract and retain the best and brightest minds in education, ensuring that every student has access to excellent teaching, regardless on their background or circumstances. The noblest profession deserves the best possible support, not just in terms of resources but also in terms of recognition and respect. Let's prioritize teacher well-being, providing them with the tools and resources they need to succeed and flourish, reducing stress and burnout, and fostering a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Let's invest in their professional development, empowering them to continuously enhance their skills and adapt to the ever-evolving educational landscape, ensuring they remain at the forefront of innovative teaching methodologies. Let's advocate for policies that attract and retain qualified educators, ensuring that every child has access to excellent teaching, regardless of their background or circumstances. The future of our society depends on it. We must recognize the profound impact of teachers and elevate the teaching profession to the STEM status it deserves. Let's make teaching the respected and rewarding career it should be, a career that attracts the most talented, compassionate, and dedicated individuals. Let's make a difference in the lives of our students. One teacher at a time, let's build a brighter future together. A future built on the foundation of excellent teaching, a future where every child has the opportunity to reach their full potential. The the time for action is now. Let's invest in our teachers, let's invest in our future, and let's invest in the noblest profession of all. Let's ensure that every child has the opportunity to learn from the best, to be inspired by the best, and to be guided by the best. This is not just a matter of education. It's a matter of justice, equity, and the very fabric of our society. Let's champion the teaching profession and ensure that it receives the respect, resources, and recognition it deserves. Let's work together to create a world where every child has access to a high quality education, a world, a world where teachers are celebrated and supported, where their contribution are knowledge and value. This is our shared responsibility, a responsibility we must embrace wholeheartedly. Let's invest in the future, one teacher, one student, one classroom at a time. Let's build a better world together. The future depends on it. Let's empower our teachers to empower our future. Let's make a difference. Let's invest in the noblest profession. The ripple effect of a great teacher is immeasurable. Let's ensure every child experience that positive influence. The success of our future highs of the success of our teachers. Let's support them, value them, and invest in them. They are our architects of a brighter tomorrow. Let's give them the tools need to build. Let's champion their cause. Let's celebrate their dedication. Let's invest in the future. One teacher at a time. Our children deserve the best, and our teacher deserve an unwavering support. Let's make a commitment to excellence in education. Starting today, let's build a better future together. Let's invest in the noblest profession. Teachers are the unsung heroes of our society. Shaping futures are building brighter tomorrows. Let's recognize their invaluable contributions and ensure they have the support they need to continue their noble work. Investing in education is investing in our collective future. Let's prioritize the teaching profession and ensure that receives the resources and recognition it deserves. The future of our world rests in the hands of our educators. Let's empower them to succeed. Let's empower our children. Let's invest in our future. Let's invest in the teaching. Let's invest in hope. Let's invest in progress. Let's invest in the noblest profession. The impact of teacher extends far beyond the classroom, shaping not only individuals' lives but also the future of our society. Let's ensure that every child has access to the best possible education, provided by well-trained, well-supported, and highly valued teacher. The future is in their hands. Let's support them. Let's celebrate them. Let's invest them. Let's invest in the future. Let's invest in the noblest profession. Teaching is not merely a job. It's a calling, a vocation, a mission. Let's honor the calling by providing our teachers with the resources and support they need to excel. Let's make teaching a profession that attracts the best and brightest minds. Let's invest in our future, one teacher at a time. Let's build a better world together. Let's invest in the noblest profession. Let's make a difference. Let's ensure that every child has access to a high-quality education delivered by passionate and dedicated teachers. Let's support our teachers and let's build a better future for all. This is a call to action, a call to invest in the future, a call to support the noblest profession. Let's answer that call. Let's invest in our teachers. Let's invest in our future. Let's invest in the noblest profession, the dedication, the patience, and the passion of teachers are invaluable assets to our society. Let's recognize their tireless efforts and provide them with the support they deserve. A nation's strength lies in its educated populace, and the education begins in the classroom with dedicated teachers. Let's invest their success and we will invest in the success of our nation. The future of our world depends on the quality of education our children receive. Let's ensure that every child has access to the best possible education, provided by well-trained, well-support, and highly valued teachers. Let's invest in a future, one teacher at a time. Let's invest in the noblest profession. Let's celebrate the incredible impact teachers have on the lives of their students and on world. Let's show our appreciation for their hard work and dedication. Let's invest in the future and let's invest in the noblest profession. Teachers are the heart of our communities, shaping young minds and building a brighter future for all. Let's support them, celebrate them, and invest in them. Let's invest in the future, one teacher at a time. Let's invest in the noblest profession, the transformative power of a greater and immeasurable. Let's ensure that every child has the opportunity to experience that transformative power. So, thank you for listening.